Ushaikuwa na dream ya ku-own place iko juu ya lami, iko Kiambu, Gatondo South, Ishashiri area at only 8.5 million Kenya shillings. Unawai 1.25 acres right here. And as you can see, this is a very, very, very fertile land. You can see the malenge. This is a place that you can do malenge farming. You can do ngwashe pia ziko hapa looking very spectacular. Mihogo, kuna mandizi. There is also coffee farming. There is also avocado farming, macadamia business. You can also panda hizi miti za mbao that is also going to give you money liquidity. All you have to do is give us a call on 0702 722 498 or visit our main office. We are located in Ruiru Town, Greg Towers, ghorofa ya kwanza, ya tatu ama ya sita. And there you are going to meet a dedicated team of experts and you're ready to walk this journey with you from the first deposit to the last deposit. Now, are you there? Na unatafuta shamba? Tupigie simu tukusort. Big Brother Properties Limited ndio form.